Hello kitchen lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we call everyone obsession. Today, we dive deep into the world of single-hole kitchen faucets. Across brands synonymous with quality and innovation, we'll rank them below. Best 3 single-hole kitchen faucet with sprayer, so you can simplify your tough decisions and find the perfect match for your kitchen rain. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for all about kitchen gadgets' latest update. So, let's begin it. Number 1. Keyen Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. Keyen Kitchen Faucet is a brand that offers a variety of kitchen faucets, known for their quality and functionality. Their faucets often feature modern designs and innovative technology, such as touchless activation or pull-down sprayers. Keyen faucets are designed to enhance the overall aesthetic and functionality of a kitchen while providing durability and ease of use. If you're considering purchasing a Keyen kitchen faucet, be sure to research different models to find the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Keyen Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer boasts specific features that make it a popular choice. High quality 304 stainless steel is the best material for kitchen faucet, which provides enhanced leak tightness. Superior corrosion and rust-resistant brushed nickel finish helps your kitchen faucet with sprayer perform like new for life. New updated size, total height 14.56, spout height 6.5, spout reach 8.27, easy to match most sink. Multifunctional outlet water effect 3-way spray setting stream. Spray, pause, stream for filling water. Spray for rinsing, pause for avoiding splashing in multitask mode, providing stable water pressure. Makes cleanup easier. CEC listed kitchen sink faucet. Flow rate 1.8 gallons per minute. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer with an extended 20 pull-out hose. Keyen faucet for kitchen sink can be pulled out flexibly for cleaning with 360-degree rotation, which allows you to reach all areas of the kitchen sink. The pull-down sprayer ensures high pressure while also saving water. Easy to operate, easy control of hot and cold water and flow volume with single handle, updated mechanical retraction system with 420 grams gravity. Ball makes pull-down sprayer head always sit into original place after use. Easy to install, pull-down hose and water line hose altogether. Pre-installed in kitchen faucet with sprayer to save much time under the sink. No need plumber. Finished DIY installation less than 30 minutes. Suitable for 1-hole or 3-hole kitchen sink installation with 10-inch deck plate. Supply lines 3/8 female compression thread. Overall, the Keyen kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer seems like a good option for those looking for an affordable and functional faucet. However, if you prioritize strong water pressure or prefer established brands with longer warranties, you might consider other options. Number 2. Faucet Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. The Faucet Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. With its modern design and innovative features, this faucet aims to provide convenience and efficiency while enhancing the overall look of your kitchen space. The Faucet Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. Here are some of the specific features of the Faucet Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. Ultra high quality. This kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer is safe and durable according to lead-free requirements thanks to its premium SUS 304 stainless steel construction. We address your various needs. The pull-out sprayer on the Faucet kitchen faucet with 3 spray setting modes: stream, spray, and pause makes it simple to choose between spray rinsing and splash-free water flow. The spray function can be used to clean veggies and dishes, while the stream mode can be used to fill water or wash hands. Minutes to install. Our kitchen faucet is easy to install and can be completed by one person, as higher installation expenses would reduce the product's performance. A 10-inch detachable deck plate for kitchen sinks with 1, 2, or 3 holes is included with the Faucet kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer for a range of uses. Simple cleaning in advance because the 5-layer nanotechnology stainless steel kitchen faucet finish can resist corrosion and prevent spot and won't peel off paint or discolor. Cleaning time will be decreased. Simply wash off the kitchen faucet with a moist cloth to achieve a clear and tidy appearance. Long-term guarantee and broad applicability. The utilitarian USA or standard kitchen sink faucet adds a fresh and minimalist aesthetic to your kitchen. Faucet guarantee: a 2-year return and refund policy, a worry-free lifetime parts replacement warranty, and technical assistance. Overall, the Faucet pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet seems like a good option for those looking for an affordable and functional faucet with a stylish design. However, if strong water pressure, established brands, or a long warranty are high priorities, you might consider other options. Number 3. Rofa 01 Li Pull-Down Sprayer Commercial Modern Faucet. The Rofa 01 Li Pull-Down Sprayer Commercial Modern Faucet is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design and innovative features, this faucet is designed to make daily kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. The Rofa 01 Li Pull-Down Sprayer Commercial Modern Faucet is a contender in the world of kitchen faucets, offering a combination of functionality and style at a competitive price point. A Rofa 01 Li Pull-Down Sprayer Commercial Modern Faucet offers several specific features that make it a popular choice. 10 minutes DIY. The kitchen faucet comes with pre-installed pull-out and water line hoses, making installation like a breeze. You'll save valuable time and money on hiring a plumber. Easy to use, the sink faucet's 3-function water outlet is versatile enough to meet all your washing needs. The high arch design enables easy cleaning of high pots and pans, while the single handle integration design allows for convenient control of water temperature and flow volume. Perfect match, the faucet's size and water outlet angle are designed to fit most sinks, making it effortless to choose the right one for your kitchen. Easy to clean, the brushed nickel finish of the faucet is superiorly corrosion and rust resistant, making it easy to clean with just a cloth in your daily use. Less cleaning time, more leisure time. Reliable durability and stability, all metal connecting parts and premium ceramic valves ensure high durability standards. The structure and appearance have undergone multiple and repeated tests before production to ensure super stability. Also, we provide 5-year warranty, 7 24-hour email customer support. Your satisfaction is always the first priority. Overall, the Rofa 01 Li is a potential option for those seeking an affordable, modern faucet. However, if extensive user reviews, strong water pressure, or a very established brand are your top priorities, you might want to explore other options. And there you have it, our ranking of the 3 best single-hole kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayers. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist, or classic vibe in your kitchen, the 3 best single-hole kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayers have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!